so all I want to do here, right, is just show you what I mean, why I keep saying this is, very easy. Okay, this is my 7 chart layout, right, and I've got it on the NASDAQ because I want to show you yesterday. Let me, I'll use, oops, not using green. Yeah, that one. Right, I want to show you what I mean when I say to you, if you're struggling, you just wait, and then it's a 3-step system, right? Well, you have this here. Flip down, 4-hour BB band, okay? Right, so let's go and have a look at it. And what I mean, that's 4-hour time frame, by the way, right? So we're looking on the 15-minute. This is the NASDAQ, by the way, guys. Right, there we go. Right, and let's move the 5 to it as well. There we go. Okay, so before we go any further, just highlight it. Flip down 4-hour BB band. Rule 2. Probably had a 15-minute blue up here, but went back here. Okay. I think it was that move there, is it? I think that's the move, yep, there. Right, so your first one, there. Okay, this is what I mean, by the way, Hans, about, sometimes you need it to get back in here. Right, because see how it fell short? And that's because it wasn't in amongst the EMAs. Alright, and then another, okay, might have got out here because, momentum turned on you, fine. Might have even got out here because momentum turned on you. If you use, the Renko Whites or, some of the stop loss strategies I've been working on lately, we've been working on lately, I should say, then you'll be fine. But then again, you'd be in there again, another 50 pip winner. Back in here again, another 50 pip winner. Even this one here, 50 pip winner. Okay, so let's just have a look now at the entries for that particular time frame. What were we looking at? 14. What's the date? The 18th. So 14. Right. I think if excuse me, remember rightly, what time was that one? 14:30. So that was here. Okay. Now I've got this set to 18, but it should be set to 20. One of my lines here. Okay. Right. But that there would have been the entry. Very likely. You got, I think the blue was here, the HA blue was there, but very likely you got a HAL. But even if you didn't, it was momentum back in here. Rule 2 was in, momentum was back in, right? Then it comes back in again. Probably both of these trades would have been on Renko BB bands. It might have been a Renko yellow, it could have been a Renko white on that candle, whatever. Okay, there were your 2 trades, right? So when I keep saying to you guys that it's simple, if you're struggling, wait for the flipped LTBB band. Okay, you had it there, and your next step is rule 2. You had it on that one, which was probably down here, to be honest with you, but I've said in the past, you can use the 5-minute yellow, but if you're unsure, then wait. I mean, what you have to realize is that the NASDAQ had a weekly red yellow. It wasn't just a straightforward reversal. All right, so it had a weekly red yellow, which is basically saying, down. Okay, remember what I was saying about the blues? There was a 4-hour blue here, and it took it back to that flip down 4-hour BB band. It's walls. It's all about the walls, guys. I'm reading. the walls, and that's big time frame. Okay, and you can see again there, look guys, flip down 4-hour BB band, look at it react. Okay, this time off the orange line there, look at it react. Okay, and I mean, oh, I didn't know you could do that. Right, you can go and look at the 4-hour time frame, and again, you know, all right, this one I think was the 8-hour. Remember rightly, that's it there, or is it? Yeah, it might be, because it might come back up again afterwards. Anyway, so basically this is what I'm saying. This is how easy it is, right? So let's go and look at the US30. All right, I'll just put all these charts on the US30 because I want to show you something from this morning. Okay, again, guys, you know we've got a daily. We know there's a daily blue. Okay, and look what happened this morning. Flip down 1-hour BB band. Look at this, Hans. Sarge. Rule 2. Okay, let's just move the 5-minute into position. Definitely rule 2 here. Pull back, bang, 50 pipper. Okay, pull back. Okay, make the 5-minute orange lines, but I'll show you something in a minute. Another 50 pipper there. Okay, right. Quickly again on. There it is. There they are. Okay. Look, back in the road on the EMAs. Alright, bang, 50 pipper. Back in again here, Hanzo. There. And there. There were your 2 trades after rule 2 is in. You know, okay. Some of you'll say, well, I would have attempted that one there. Alright, fine. But what I like when you've had a big move, guys, and this is a big move, right, is a decent size pullback, okay, and that's about half of what it went there. Okay, and that's what I look for my next trade. So pretty much 15-minute orange line, that one. Okay, I think it's this one here. Look, 15-minute orange line, just broke it and then bang, another 50 pipper. Okay, then broke it this time. Where did it go to? 1-hour orange line before coming down again. Okay, but it's all about, this is why I keep saying to you guys, if you're unsure, just wait for a starting point. Flipped BB bands are powerful. Alright, okay, and again, I'll show you on just quick look at the Dow's 4-hour. Let's just let me move that out of the way. Oh no, I can't, can I? How do I do that? Oh, yep, that's it there, isn't it? Can't believe I forgot how to do that. Excuse me. Look, okay, might not have broke the BB band, but broke the 4-hour orange line. Session candle off the 4-hour orange line. All these big ones are the session candles. Okay, broke the 4-hour orange line. All started off with a flipped up 4-hour orange line, 4-hour BB band, and that was the session candle, that one there. Okay, but look again, broke the 4-hour orange line, session candle, session candle. You see, this is why I love the 4-hour time frame, guys. Okay, so basically what I'm kind of telling you guys here is, you know, if at any point you're stuck, I know some of you have problems with entries, some of you have problems with direction. Sarge, you know, you're up and down, up and down, up and down, right? This is something that you should think about, Sarge, because it's like, I'll just, you know, I'll wait, right? I've got a 4-hour orange line, or You had the daily here, it went down, right? So if you're thinking down here, all you had to wait for, Sarge, was that. Where is it? There. Rule 2. Alright, and this is why I keep saying, in particular to Sarge, I know Darwin's doing one trade a day now, right? And I think this is pretty much what he's doing, waiting for rule 2 and then bang. You know, and that's the way you should do it. But I know I keep saying it, Sarge, right? But 2 trades a day, mate, of 50 pips, 100 pips a day, pal. And that is what will give you the confidence to up your lot size. Okay, that is what you know. You'll be forever scared of upping your lot size until you discipline yourself. Okay, and if you can do this, mate, I mean, 100 pips, 500 pips a week, at $10 a pip, Sarge. Look at it that way. Excuse me. All right, so yeah, it's just a short video, guys, just to show you what I mean about the flip BB bands and basically the setup. You know, the way to trade it, it's like you get your direction from the LTs, then you get rule 2, okay? You get your rule 2, and then you look for your trades. Okay, there's the setup. That one was, right, it was back in here. Probably had a HA yellow or something there. Momentum, bang, bang, bang. That was just them 2, you know? All right, so, and that's it. Okay, hands. Once you have identified the this direction hands for one, which is, you know, basically rule 2. That's all you should be thinking about, hands, is rule 2. You know, LT, BB band break, and then it's rule 2. Once you've identified that, hands, these, you're a bit jittery around here. You know, if I can just highlight this area here, right there, it's very likely, hands, that you would have been in and out here because momentum flipped against you, right? Whereas I'm thinking, I've got a 25 pip stop loss, I'm in and I stay in and I win the trade. Okay, the same here. You might have been a bit jittery in and out, in and out. You know, you've identified the setup, the trade hands, and it's, you know, these are 50 pippers hands. Once they go, they're 50 pippers, easy. You know, what was that? What was that? Oh, yeah, yesterday. Just oops. Right, just to show you. Yesterday I missed it because I was at the pub. Look at this here. Yesterday. Right, and I'll show you on the 15-minute time frame because that's what it was all about. Remember me calling that, guys? Rule 2. Yeah, remember that? Look at this. It was just, look, I think it went 600 pips from there. You know? So that is the strength of rule 2, guys. And you know, if you can work, if you can get your head around this and just be patient, it's all about discipline. I keep saying this to members, you know, certain members in particular, Sarge. He comes for, he gets the brunt of, you know, the brunt of it, basically, right? But if you can discipline yourself, you can easily make 100 pips a day. And I swear, just think back, right? We were talking about 24 pips a day, you know, trading the Forex. And you get 2 trades on this, it's 100 pips a day, it's 500 pips a week. It's 500 pips a week at £1, $1, a euro this week. Next week it might be £2, right? I mean, you're talking, what, at the very most, 10 weeks and you could be on $10, euros, pounds, a pip. Okay, and you're 500 pips at that. You understand that's how you make the money here. You're not going to make it by winning a few, losing a few. You know, you're going to make it with a disciplined strategy. And rule 2 is the ultimate rule for that. All right, guys. So I'm going to send this to MT now. Hopefully he'll be able to get it up straight away, I would think. So just have a quick watch of it, and then trade it today.